Okay, Tracer will be starting in a minute. Okay. Alright. So I'm just hanging over here.
I don't think it's good. It won't be that loud. It would be if we were right next to it. Nikki, are you ready, Nikki? Your little ears.
Let me know if you hear it.
I
Let me know if you hear it.
will. Okay.
Do you hear it?
Yeah.
No, leave it open. Or closed. What? 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 Sure. It's true, Sir Daisy. Did it start?
What you taking? It's not loud. Do you hear it?
That's the truth, Sir Daisy. Alright, it's starting again. That was the truth, Sir Daisy. It's gonna start again. Are you okay, Rocky?
That's it. Yep. That's it. They did a short one today.
Huh? And I do it again.
You're right.
What? There goes again.
How did you know that?
Oh, it's dark.
Socky's talking.
That's different. Oh, still going. Okay, Nikki, it's going. That's a tree siren. Look, swing. That's ours. Oh, all done. Alright, all done. They finished. That was not enough. They did it again. All done.